How to fix Facebook login issue. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix Facebook login issue on your device. So there might be several reasons why you're unable to log in into your Facebook account. So I'm going to be showing you some of the troubleshooting, and I'm going to be providing you some general advice to resolve your Facebook login problem. However, now please keep in mind that these specifics of issue might change over time. The first thing is you can check for an outdate. Sometimes the issue might occur because of your outdated application. In order to check for an update, you need to open up a Play Store. So after that, on the search box, you need to type in Facebook and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. Instead of open, if you see update, which indicates that the app needs to be updated, and this might be able to solve your issue. However, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can also check or verify your credential. Now double check that you're entering the correct email address or phone number and then the password associated with your Facebook account. Make sure that the caps lock is turned off and that you're using a correct case for each letter. Apart from that, on the step number 3, you can also reset your password. If you've forgotten your password or suspected it might be incorrect, use the forgot password option on the login page to restart your password. Follow the prompt to reset your password and register your email address or phone number. And also, if you're using a VPN or if you're not connected to a VPN, then it might be one of the issue. So what you need to do is, if you're using a VPN or a proxy service, try disabling it, try attempting to log in again, and sometimes these services can cause login issue as well. However, if you're still unable to fix it, then apart from that, you can also clear cache and data for that long press on your Facebook app. Click on app info, go to storage and cache, click on clear cache as well as clear data. Now keeping this in mind that clearing your storage will delete all your information and you'll not be able to recover your account as well. However, you can also try restarting your device. Along with that, you can also reinstall the Facebook application and then you might be able to fix the issue. So what else you can do is you can directly contact a Facebook support team. So you can just get a guidelines. They might be able to provide specific guidance related to your situation. This is basically how you can fix Facebook login issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.